Acer's Predator Helios 18 laptop was always big and powerful, but it's bulking up even more.
Acer already sells an 18-inch Helios gaming laptop, but will serve up 2 different flavors of it in 2024. There's the standard generational update, the Helios 18, and now the Helios Neo 18, which is mostly the same laptop, but positioned differently on price and performance. We'll start with the technically new system, the Helios Neo 18. The starting price on this version is $1549.99, and it will be available in March. That's not a super low-cost gaming laptop in general, but it is cheaper than most of the 18-inch gaming systems we see. Like most gaming laptops debuting at CES 2024, this machine will take the leap to Intel's 14th gen Raptor Lake Refresh HX processors. It can scale up as high as the Core i9-14900HX if you want to invest on the CPU front, and there are lesser 14th gen processor options to keep the price lower. On the GPU side, the main differentiator between the Helios Neo 18 and the standard Helios 18 is that the Neo 18 tops out with a 140-watt RTX 4070 rather than a 4080 or 4090. Because of this, the Neo is positioned as a more budget-friendly take on the big screen gaming laptop, which usually push performance boundaries as a priority. The 18-inch IPS display is 16:10 with a 2560x1600 resolution and a 240Hz refresh rate. NVIDIA G-Sync is also supported to reduce screen tearing and stuttering. Of course, a screen this big means a huge laptop, so while it feels sturdy and well-made, it's heavy and not so portable. Think of it more as a desktop replacement, and if you're eyeing the more budget-friendly version of this laptop, it might be your only PC. At least you can take it with you, unlike a desktop. As for the updated Helios 18, it starts at a more intimidating $1999.99. It can be freely configured with as much as an RTX 4090 at 175 watts, which is more graphics power than its Neo counterpart. NVIDIA has no new mobile GPUs for the CES, so this remains the ceiling even for this new wave of gaming laptops. It too can run up to the same Core i9 14th gen processor. The default display is the same, but it also comes with an advanced mini LED option with a barely faster 250Hz refresh rate and 1000 nits of brightness. One more neat inclusion is the set of MagKey 3.0 WASD keys with 2 more sets added for customization. These are swappable mechanical switches for the most used keys by gamers, dialing in your desired feel for gaming. On both versions of the laptop, Acer deploys the 5th generation of its AeroBlade fans, as well as a liquid metal thermal solution on the CPU to keep it running cool. The visual design of the laptop has some flair without going too over the top, although your opinion may vary, and I do like the look of the logo on the lid. Not to confuse things further, there are also 16-inch versions of each of these laptops. The Helios Neo 16 and the Helios 16 follow the same general ideas as the 18-inch model, scaling at different levels, starting at $1499.99 and $1899.99 respectively.
That's all on this beast. I've been Matthew Buzzy. Check out all of our CES 2024 coverage on PCMag.com.